Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos and I'm in Déva and I'm at the Fortress. But I got some things to show you real quick. Gee many. Okay, so this is the Fortress and it's on top of the mountain. The gate, pedestrian gate, Fortress goes back. Gate 1, which, sorry, it's a long climb. Anyway, so it's got these gates and these walls all the way up to the top. But that's not what I really wanted to show you. I'll show you this. Tower stair gate. Oh my God. Is that crazy? It is like 1,000 stairs. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is nuts. Wow. Okay. So the guy said this is the easy way. And then this is the long way. I'm sorry, the short way and the long way. So this is straight up the mountain. And this one is, it wraps around it a couple of times, I'm thinking. What's it gonna be? Man, that's a killer. Wow. Well, how bad do I want to see this fortress? Oh crap. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Okay, bye everybody. I'll be back. You don't need to hear me breathing. I have a heart attack on this trail. Okay, bye everybody. Okay everybody. Here's the perspective. You see the shack down there? Oh my gosh. I think I'm about halfway. Crazy. Look how far down that is. Wow. If you're coming to Déva Fortress, make sure you come prepared. Wow. The stairs are amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go finish. Bye. Okay, so the kid in front of me said to be careful because he saw a snake in the bush. And so, you know, dumb American, I'm sitting there thinking, okay, there's going to be a gardener snake or, you know, maybe a little bull snake or something. But no, we got to go full on vipers. Are you serious? A viper? Be careful, vipers. If I see a viper, I'm gonna have a cow right here. Now I'm all nervous. Where do you sit down? Where do you... Crazy vipers? What have I signed up for? Now I want to see one, just so I can say I saw a viper. Get out of here. Look at this hike. That is crazy. Crazy. Look at the view. Wow. Oh my. Look at the fortress. Oh my. Wow. That is staggeringly amazing. Wow. And you'll love this. It's closed. But the guy said it was worth the walk. Yeah, right. The walk and getting bit by a viper. I hope it's somewhere I get bit that I can suck the poison out, but wow. That's crazy. Look at the view. I told you it was on a mountain. Wow. Staggeringly amazing. Okay, well, I'm going to go up a little farther. It looks like you can go up to there. You know, the vipers just keep going through my head now. I'm like, what's a viper going to look like? I don't care what it is. If it's a snake, I'm leaving. Wow. That's pretty amazing. Is there anything up here besides ruins? I mean, they got vending machines. And then what is this? The artillery chamber? Okay. Looks like a snake den. Oh, you can't get to the bathroom. It's fenced off. Man, this is a climb. Wow. Can you go this way? Maybe it goes all the way around? That looks like it might be closed. Huh. Wow. Look at this wall. Who would even try to attack this place? This is crazy. Wow. Oh, it's got a TV antenna up here too. Well, that tells you how high it is. Wow. Wait until you, I'll turn this around. It's a penny machine and it's closed. Nice. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. There's your climb. Oh, and the tram's closed too. So you can get here by tram, but no, I didn't do that. Well, it's closed, but wow. You know, if it needs a tram, that it's got to be tall. So is this worth climbing? Or is this going to be closed when I get to the top? The semicircle ladder staircase was linked to the third and second cores of the second premises. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Yep, there's a board across. Okay. I'm not doing any more. More than in my share, I'm sure. Okay, everybody. Well, I will walk around a little bit and see what else I can find here. And if I see anything else amazing, obviously we're not getting in. So, Yeah, how could you even attack this? I mean, it's got to get past this first wall here, and then over the other side. Oh my gosh. Crazy. I bet this does go all the way around though. Whew. I am just a dripping. Yeah, look at that wall, and there's another gate. So the guys would just line up on this thing and just start firing arrows down the whole time, huh? Wow. Okay. Guess what I did? I brought a beer. Yeah, I really did. Daddy ain't stupid. So it's a Timisoara special. And I'm going to sit down here and wipe off the sweat. And I even brought a napkin. And I'm going to drink my beer and relax for a second before I head down this monster. Bye, everybody.